Hello YouTube. In today's video I'll be covering Belgium 20 stock index. So we can see it's generally been an uptrend over time, but we haven't taken out the highs of 2007 yet. So it's been stuck in a range. So now we'll go through all of the components. First we've got KBC Group NV, which is a financial regional bank, and I can see this is stuck in the trading sideways for a while. It hasn't taken out the 2007 highs, so there's nothing interesting on this chart. Next, we've got Argenx SE, which is a pharmaceutical space. And I can see looking at this chart that basically there was a symmetrical triangle of some sorts over here. It broke out to the upside, made a target, and came back. Currently looks like it's doing head and shoulders pattern. So it's potentially lower to go. Next, we've got UCB, which is a pharmaceutical technology or health technology company. Next, we've got UCB. Now, I can see this has been in a gradual uptrend over time. I wouldn't chase it over here. I'd wait for more price behavior to determine where it's going next. Next, we've got Solvay, which is process industries, chemical specialty. I can see looking at this chart, we've had some sort of symmetrical triangle over here. If I measure out a target, I can see we've generally got higher to go on this name, giving us a target of 45. Next, we've got GBL, which is a financial conglomerate. I can see it was in an uptrend, which is currently breaking down. Next, we got Dieten Group. I can see there was a beautiful symmetrical triangle over here. It broke to the upside. Um, any dips on this could be a potential buying opportunity. We need to see more price behavior. Next, we've got Elia Group, which made a peak in 2022, and it hasn't recovered since. Currently, looks like it's doing a descending triangle sort of structure, so potentially got lower to go on this name. It's an electric utility company. Next, we've got AGS, which is a multi-line insurance company. Now, I can see, looking at this chart, we're going really sideways, to be honest. It was stuck in a range. We had a peak in 2007 all the way up here at 340, and it's never been able to recover since. Next, we've got Safina, which is a finance investment managers company. I can see this has just been going sideways in a range after making a blow off top in January 2022. Next, we've got Umicore, which is now in a downtrend. It's in the non-energy minerals, other metals, mineral space. And I can see it made a peak on the 2nd of August 2021, and it's never recovered since. It's just been in a downtrend. It's broken this uptrend line. Next, we've got Warehouses Depot, which is finance, real estate development. I can see looking at this chart, we've got potentially a symmetrical triangle or some descending triangle of some sort. This could potentially break down in the coming weeks. It could break to the upside, but it remains to be seen. But we'll watch this very closely. Next, we've got Ackermans v Haring, which is industrial services, engineering, and construction. And I can see looking at this chart, basically, it's going higher. It's been an uptrend over time. I can see there's a beautiful symmetrical triangle over here. If I measure out a move for this symmetrical triangle, I can see we've got much higher to go. Could go all the way to 205 eventually. Next, we've got Melexis, which is a semiconductor company. I can see this has generally gone a lot higher over time. There was a beautiful symmetrical triangle over here, which broke to the upside, and it's been overperforming ever since. Again, you could argue there's a symmetrical triangle forming here of some sort. This would generally break to the upside. We need to see more price behavior, but yeah, we've been going sideways since 2018. It could be a very violent break above this level. Let's go Adifika, which is a real estate investment trust. I can see this has been in a general uptrend, but it's now breaking down. So it's currently not a good investment. It's been in a downtrend since making a peak all the way here in February 2020, and it's now been able to recover since. So it's a bad investment at the moment. Next, we've got Cofinimo, which is a finance real estate investment trust. I can see this made a peak all the way in around about February 2020, and it's been in a downtrend ever since. Next, we've got Proximius, and I can see this is in a downtrend. This is a bad investment. Any rallies have been a good opportunity to go short. And finally, we've got Barco, which is electronic technology, electronic equipment company. And I can see this has been in a downtrend since making a peak in February 2020. Overall, with this index, I can say that a lot of the components aren't a good investment, guys. That's unbalanced in my opinion. And all this is financial advice. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, press subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.